The Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, there were three little pigs who lived with their mother. They grew and grew until they were so big that the time came for them to move out and build houses for themselves. The first pig was lazy. He built his house out of straw as quickly as possible. One day, a big, bad wolf knocked on the door. Little pig, let me come in," he said.
"Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin," replied the pig nervously.
"Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house down," growled the wolf. He blew so hard that the straw house flew away. The poor pig ran as fast as he could to his brother's house. The second pig's house was built out of sticks and slightly stronger. The big, bad wolf knocked on his door. Little pigs, let me come in," said the wolf.
"Not by the hair on our chinny chin chins," the pigs shouted.
"Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house down," said the wolf. He blew so hard that the house of sticks fell down. The two terrified pigs ran as fast as they could to their last brother's house and slammed the door. This third pig, who was more patient and careful than his brothers, had built his house out of bricks. The big bad wolf knocked on the pig's well-built door. Little pigs, let me come in," said the big bad wolf.
"Not by the hair on our chinny chin chins," cried the pigs.
"Then I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow your house down," said the wolf. Then he blew with all his might. He huffed, and he puffed, and he puffed, and he huffed, but he couldn't blow the house down. He was a sly old wolf, and he decided to find another way in. He climbed onto the roof to sneak in through the chimney. Little did he know that there was a pot of hot water waiting for him at the bottom. "Yow!" the wolf yelled as he fell into the water. He ran for the forest, and he never, ever bothered the three little pigs again.